Want to stop living paycheck to paycheck? Here's your 60-second roadmap to financial control. Step 1, create a budget. It's your biggest weapon. It shows you where your money is leaking and where you can start building. Step 2, open a high-interest savings account. Even if you start with just $20, it builds passive income over time, with zero effort. Step 3, ditch the debt trap. Cut up those credit cards. Except one. Use that for a tiny $10 bill, like Netflix or Google Drive, to rebuild credit and pay it off automatically. That's it. Budget like a boss. Save smart. Use credit on your terms. Remember, start budgeting smart today. Protect your credit and save with purpose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps more than you know. Want to support the channel directly like a Patreon? Visit www.pytown.ca/lifeledger and become part of the community. And if you're feeling the vibe, grab some of our merch here. atown.creatorspring.com. Thanks for watching. Keep your finances strong, and we'll see you next time on Life on a Ledger.